Today we're going to be looking at factor pairs. And factor, remembers, meaning what multiplies up to a number. So what numbers can we use? So with 18, I'm going to go ahead and write it off over here to the side. I know that I can take 1 times 18 is a set of factors. 2 times 9 is another set. 3 times 6. And see, I can't take 4 to get 18. I cannot take 5. And then I can see that I'm back at 6 again, so I know I can stop. So looking at my answers over here, I know that I can use 3, 2 and 9, 1 and 18 as my sets. Okay, so it says David has 75 flowers. He wants to plant the seeds in pots so that every seed is planted. Every pot has the same number of seeds. If there are blank pots, there will be 75 seeds in each pot. If there are 3 pots, there will be how many seeds in each pot? And if there are blank pots, there will be 15 seeds in each pot. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did last time. I know I can take 1 times 75. And if I'm not good with my math facts, I'm not going to panic right away. Because I know that if I started with 1, if I go to 2 next, as soon as my calculator pops up here, 75 divided by 2, I see that I get a decimal. So I cannot use that one. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. 3. 75 divided by 3. And I get 25. So 3 and 25. Okay. Then I'm going to take 75 divided by 4, and I see that I get a decimal again. I'm going to take 75 divided by 5, and I get 15. So 5 times 15. 75 divided by 6 doesn't work. 75 divided by 7 won't work. 75 divided by 8 won't work. 75 divided by 9 will not work. 75 divided by 10 will not work. 75 divided by 11 does not work. 75 divided by 12, nope. 75 divided by 13, nope. 75 divided by 14, nope. And then I can see I'm back at 15, so I can stop. Now I can answer my questions. So if I have 75 seeds, I'm going to have 1 pot. If I have 3 pots, I'm going to have 25 seeds. And if there are 5 pots, I'm going to have 15 seeds. Okay, we're going to take a look at one more example. I have 42, so I'm going to go ahead and break up my 42. 1 times 42. And then I'm going to go to my calculator and divide it by 2. I get 2 and 21. 2 times 21. Let's divide it by 3 now. 42 divided by 3. I get 3 and 14. Let's divide it by 4. Oops. Divide it by 4. Nope, doesn't work. Divide by 5. Nope. Divide by 6. Yep. And then I know that my next number is 7, so I know that I can stop there. So I can choose for my answer on this one, because it's asking about area, I'm multiplying. 2 and 21, 3 and 14, 7 and 6, and 1 and 42.